WikiHow is a comprehensive online wiki-style community, consisting of an extensive database of how-to guides aiming to help people learn how to do a wide variety of tasks. You can know literally everything here. Now imagine what if can make videos with these unlimited how-to guides. What will be the result? I think it's a great opportunity for you. In today's video, I will share the step-by-step method of making YouTube videos from a WikiHow article. WikiHow have hundreds of categories for how-to solutions. According to SimilarWeb, WikiHow gets 106 million website visitors last month. 33% visitors are coming from United States. Today I will show how you can create WikiHow articles to complete videos. Every 10 minutes equal to one complete video with AI video generator will blow you mind, and with this strategy you can start your own faceless YouTube channel. What you need to do at first is to find a niche for your channel. I have selected digital marketing related niche, so trying to find out an article in this category, so that we will make a video with AI from that article. Here I found a good trending topic, how to start an affiliate marketing business. I will make a complete AI video within next few minutes. Stay connected to find the best way of start your YouTube channel with this strategy for 100% free with a single AI video generator. We need to summarize the selected article, so we will install an AI named Harpa AI. Visit extension option from your Google browser and then type Harpa AI in search box. You will find this AI tool at first position. Click on it. And then click to add to Chrome button and then click add extension button. This process will take 1 to 2 minutes to complete. And you will redirect to Harpa AI homepage. Then come back to WikiHow at your selected article page. Click on H icon on right side of your address bar, just left side of your Google account. A pop-up like this one will be opened. From menu on pop-up, click on Summary button will start summarize the article of the page. Copy the summarize portion. Then visit to lumen5.com, you will find the links in description. Click on Sign Up button at right top side. Fill your full name, work email, password, and finally click on Create Account button. It will redirect you to dashboard of this AI. You can click on Skip button. When choosing a template, click on Skip button again. You will find 4 options. Select AI voiceover option. And then select Paste Text option and paste in this box that the summarized text you copied earlier and click on Compose Script button to continue. This AI will automatically generate script for your video within few seconds. Then click on Continue button. Here is the outline of our video. You should carefully check the script, because our video will depend on this stage. You can add or modify if you want, and finally click on Convert to Video button will start preparing your voiceover and video to generate by compiling thousands of stock videos in Lumen 5's database automatically. This process will take 3 to 5 minutes. If you have any confusion or question, you can always ask on comment section. I will reply all comments one by one. Here AI start generating video for us, and this is the best way I have ever found in internet to make complete automatic videos without any effort. In the meantime, if you find our video helpful, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Here our video is ready, and this is the timeline of our video. If you want you can change any video clips from left side if you want. I am keeping it and pressing Publish button. After click on Publish button, you will redirect to next page and your video will start rendering. Your download will start automatically in about 3 minutes. But there is 2 problems that you will find a watermark in the end of your video, and video output will be in 720 pixel resolution. Stay connected, I show you how to solve the problem. Let's watch what AI generated for us.
Looking to earn passive income from home? Affiliate marketing might be the answer. Start by selecting a niche you're familiar with and passionate about. Create a website with non-salesy content, join affiliate programs, and incorporate affiliate links naturally into your content to earn commissions. Utilize visual ads on your website's sidebar to promote products and continuously produce valuable content to attract and retain visitors. Use analytics to measure success and tailor your marketing efforts. Prepare for taxes, focus on business expansion, consider delegating routine tasks,
You will see a
and
Lum5
automate
logo
processes
at the
to
end of
develop
this
a
video,
long-term
and
growth
this
strategy.
video is not high quality.
Thank you for watching.
To solve this problem, we will visit to Clipchamp. You will find all the necessary links in description. Visit Clipchamp and click on Continue with Google button. Select your email account and then click to Continue button will redirect you to Clipchamp's dashboard. Click on Create a new video button to start and you will redirect to Video Editing panel. Click on Import Media button. Select that video you got from Lumen5. Then drag that video to timeline. Find where the logo of Lumen5 is. Then drag the position and finally click on Export button from at right side and select 1080 pixel for higher output. Your video will be start rendering and will be downloaded within few minutes. With this strategy, you can start your new YouTube channel today. If you found our video helpful, please subscribe us. Our video is ready, let's check. You will see there is no logo watermark at the end of the video and video out is 1080 pixel high definition quality. But I recommend, if you have a plan to start your YouTube channel with this AI, you should upgrade the plan to avoid copyright issue. Thank you for watching. Stay connected by subscribing us.